How to delete friends on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the Snapchat application. Then make sure that you're logged into your Snapchat account. Once you are logged into your Snapchat account, now open your profile page by tapping on the profile icon or your avatar from the upper left corner. Now scroll down a bit and under friends, tap on my friends. Here you will get list of friends on your Snapchat. So select the friends that you would like to remove or delete. Press and hold on that account. A menu box will pop up. From there, tap on Manage Friendship. Again, from this drop down menu, simply tap on Remove Friend, and after you do that, again tap on Remove, and then after, these friends or that specific account will get removed or deleted from your Snapchat account. And that's how you delete friends on Snapchat. And I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.